In South Africa, we've got a group of people, we call ourselves Nguni people. So out of Nguni people, we split into four. All four of us, you will find us on the east part of South Africa. In the province, we call it Eastern Cape. There is Xhosa people. Like Nelson Mandela, he was under the group of Xhosa from the Eastern Cape. In KwaZulu-Natal, we've got Zulu people. In a small country, Swaziland, we've got Swazi people. In Mpumalanga, close to Kruger National Park, there is Ndebele people. Ndebele, Swazi, Zulu, and Xhosa, all four of us, we fall under one group. We does have a click sound. As in South Africa, we've got 11 official languages. We can easily communicate with one another. The well-known people in South Africa with a click are the Khoisan or Bushmen.